Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a mind-blowing statistic to share with you. Did you know that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 32%? Yes, you heard that right, 32%. Let's dive into the world of plant-based diets and explore how they can truly transform your life for the better. From boosting your overall wellness to enhancing your longevity, the power of plants is truly remarkable. Many individuals who consume a diet high in animal products face common health issues such as heart disease, high cholesterol, obesity, and diabetes. The standard Western diet is wreaking havoc on our bodies, but there's hope. Plant-based diets are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that are crucial for optimal health and well-being. By incorporating more plants into your meals, you can nourish your body from the inside out. Now, here comes the game changer. Studies have shown that plant-based diets have the power to reverse certain chronic diseases and significantly improve your quality of life. Whether it's lowering blood pressure, reducing inflammation, or boosting your energy levels, plants have got your back. In summary, the transformative power of plant-based diets on wellness and longevity is undeniable. By making the switch to a plant-focused lifestyle, you're not just changing your diet, you're changing your life for the better. I encourage you to take the first step towards a plant-based diet today. Try incorporating more plant-based meals into your daily routine and witness the incredible benefits for yourself. And before you go, check out the link in the description for more information and resources on starting your plant-based journey. It's packed with tips and recipes to help you succeed. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how plants have transformed your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.